Hello everyone, welcome back to World English Studio. My name is Michael. I am very happy to see you today.
Hello, everyone. My name is Elizabeth. Thank you for studying English with us.
Today we have a very important topic. Today we will talk about health. Specifically, we will talk about describing a cold or flu.
Yes, everyone gets sick sometimes. It is not fun to be sick, but it is important to talk about it.
We feel sick at home. We feel sick at work. Sometimes we feel sick while traveling.
We talk about being sick with our family. We talk about it with our friends. Most importantly, we talk about it with a doctor.
Today we will learn easy English words to talk about symptoms. We will learn how to say what hurts. We will also learn how to describe how we feel.
Don't worry, we will speak slowly. We will use easy sentences for A1 and A2 learners.
Let's begin. A cold and the flu are very common. Every year, many people get a cough or a fever.
Yes, in the winter, many people have a runny nose. In the spring, some people sneeze because of flowers.
We need to know how to explain these feelings in English. It helps us get the right help and medicine.
We call the signs of being sick symptoms. This is a very important word we will learn today.
We will also learn words like fever, sore throat, and chills. These words help us tell others why we feel bad.
Feeling sick means your body is fighting a virus. You might feel tired. You might feel hot. You might feel cold.
Now, let's listen to a conversation. Isaac and Naomi are talking. Isaac does not feel very well today. Hello, Naomi. I am sorry, but I feel very bad today.
Oh no, Isaac. You look very tired. What is wrong?
I think I have a cold, or maybe it is the flu.
When did you start feeling sick?
I started feeling sick last night. My head hurts a lot.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I think so. My body feels very hot. But sometimes I feel cold and have chills.
That sounds like the flu. Do you have a sore throat?
Yes, it hurts when I swallow. I also have a very bad cough.
I am sorry to hear that. Do you have a runny nose too?
Yes, I am sneezing a lot. I need many tissues.
You should go home and rest. Being sick is very difficult.
I know. I wanted to work today, but I am too weak.
You must listen to your body. Health is more important than work.
What should I do to feel better?
You should drink a lot of fluids. Water and hot tea are very good for a cold.
Okay, I will drink tea with honey.
That is good for your sore throat. Have you taken any medicine?
Not yet. I have some aspirin at home.
You should take some medicine for your headache and fever. And you should see a doctor if you don't feel better tomorrow.
I will call the doctor later. I hope I recover quickly.
Me too, Isaac. Please stay home so you don't spread the germs. The flu is very contagious.
You are right. I don't want you to get sick too.
Thank you. Go home, get under a warm blanket, and sleep.
Thank you, Naomi. I will go home now.
Goodbye, Isaac. Feel better soon.
Thanks. Goodbye. That was the end of the first conversation. Isaac told Naomi about his symptoms.
Yes, he has many signs of a flu. He has a fever, a cough, and a headache.
This is a very useful conversation for daily life. When you are sick, you must tell your boss or your friends.
When you talk to someone, you can say, I don't feel well. Or you can say, I think I am getting a cold.
Talking about your health helps people understand you. They can help you or give you advice.
In the conversation, Isaac and Naomi used many health words. They talked about symptoms, fever, and medicine.
They also talked about recovery. Recovery means getting better and becoming healthy again.
Many people use home remedies when they have a cold. For example, soup, tea, or rest.
Isaac has chills. Naomi thinks he should see a doctor.
Every person is different. Some people get better fast, and some take a long time.
Now we will learn some important health words. We will explain them slowly.
Please listen carefully. You can repeat the words after us.
Don't worry if you don't understand everything the first time. English is a journey, and you are doing great.
Yes, just keep listening and practicing.
Let's start with our first word, symptoms.
Symptoms.
Symptoms are signs that show you are sick.
Example 1.
A cough and a fever are symptoms of a cold.
Example 2.
What are your symptoms today?
Example 3.
The doctor asked about my symptoms.
It is a long word, but it is very common in hospitals.
For example, if you have a stomach ache, that is a symptom.
Symptoms is a very useful word. You use it when you describe your illness to a professional.
For example, you can say, My symptoms started 2 days ago.
Or you can say, I have mild symptoms.
When you check a website about health, this word is everywhere. It helps you identify what sickness you have.
You can see lists of symptoms for the flu or a cold.
This helps you decide if you need to stay home. It also helps you tell the pharmacist what you need.
You can ask a friend, do you have any other symptoms?
This is a kind question to ask someone who is sick. Now let's learn our next word, fever.
Fever.
A fever is when your body temperature is too high.
Example 1.
I have a high fever today.
Example 2.
The baby has a fever and is crying.
Example 3.
You should take medicine to stop the fever.
A fever makes you feel very hot and sweaty.
Some people feel very weak when they have a fever. It is one of the main signs of the flu.
Fevers are very common in children. Parents often check their children's temperature.
Other people use a thermometer to check for a fever. That is a tool we use for health.
When a fever is very high, you must see a doctor. You can say, I have a temperature.
Or you can say, I am burning up.
That means your fever is very high. This is a very common expression.
When you have a fever, you should drink water. It keeps your body hydrated.
Now, let's move to the next word, sore throat.
Sore throat.
A sore throat is when your throat hurts.
Example 1.
I have a sore throat and cannot speak.
Example 2.
Drinking warm tea helps a sore throat.
Example 3.
Is a sore throat a symptom of a cold?
It often hurts when you swallow food or water.
A sore throat can make your voice sound different. Sometimes you can only whisper.
Now, we will listen to the conversation again. This time, we will go very slowly.
Please listen carefully. Pay attention to how Isaac describes his pain.
You will hear words like symptoms, fever, and sore throat.
You do not need to understand every word. Just try to hear the words we just practiced.
Ready? Let's listen.
Hello, Naomi. I am sorry, but I feel very bad today.
Oh no, Isaac! You look very tired. What is wrong?
I think I have a cold, or maybe it is the flu.
When did you start feeling sick?
I started feeling sick last night. My head hurts a lot.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I think so. My body feels very hot, but sometimes I feel cold and have chills.
That sounds like the flu. Do you have a sore throat?
Yes, it hurts when I swallow. I also have a very bad cough.
I am sorry to hear that. Do you have a runny nose too?
Yes, I am sneezing a lot. I need many tissues.
You should go home and rest. Being sick is very difficult.
I know. I wanted to work today, but I am too weak.
You must listen to your body. Health is more important than work.
What should I do to feel better?
You should drink a lot of fluids. Water and hot tea are very good for a cold.
Okay, I will drink tea with honey.
That is good for your sore throat. Have you taken any medicine?
Not yet. I have some aspirin at home.
You should take some medicine for your headache and fever. And you should see a doctor if you don't feel better tomorrow.
I will call the doctor later. I hope I recover quickly.
Me too, Isaac. Please stay home so you don't spread the germs. The flu is very contagious.
You are right. I don't want you to get sick too.
Thank you. Go home, get under a warm blanket, and sleep.
Thank you, Naomi. I will go home now.
Goodbye, Isaac. Feel better soon.
Thanks. Goodbye.
Good job listening. That was the slow version of the conversation.
Listening slowly helps you understand the structure of the sentences. This is a great way to learn grammar naturally.
You can repeat the conversation at home. Record yourself and listen to your voice.
Now let's learn another important health word. Cough.
Cough.
A cough is when you push air out of your throat with a loud noise.
Example 1.
He has a loud cough tonight.
Example 2.
Please cover your mouth when you cough.
Example 3.
My cough is getting better.
A cough can be dry or wet.
It can be very annoying when you are trying to sleep.
Coughing is how the body cleans the lungs, but it also spreads germs.
That is why we use a tissue or our elbow. It is polite to say, "Excuse me," after you cough.
Some people use cough drops to feel better. They are like candy, but for medicine.
Everyone has a cough at least once a year. It is a very common part of life.
Now let's learn the next word.
Runny nose.
Runny nose.
A runny nose is when liquid comes out of your nose.
Example 1.
I have a runny nose and need a tissue.
Example 2.
Does he have a runny nose?
Example 3.
A runny nose is very annoying.
You need to blow your nose often.
Runny nose is a funny name, but it is very descriptive. It feels like your nose is running away.
When someone has a runny nose, we often say they have the sniffles.
That is another fun English word.
You can tell your doctor, my nose is running.
This is very clear.
Or you can say, I have a stuffy nose.
That means you cannot breathe through your nose.
Both are symptoms of a cold.
Now, let's learn another word. Medicine.
Medicine.
Medicine is what you take to feel better when you are sick.
Example 1.
I need to take my medicine now.
Example 2.
This medicine tastes very bad.
Example 3.
Did the doctor give you any medicine?
Medicine can be a pill or a liquid. It is very important to follow the instructions. This word is used for everything from aspirin to antibiotics.
Always read the label before taking medicine. Now, let's listen to the conversation again. This time, we will listen at natural speed. This is how we talk in a normal day.
Don't worry if it feels fast. You are training your ears to hear real English.
You are doing a wonderful job. Hello, Naomi. I am sorry, but I feel very bad today.
Oh no, Isaac. You look very tired. What is wrong?
I think I have a cold, or maybe it is the flu.
When did you start feeling sick?
I started feeling sick last night. My head hurts a lot.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I think so. My body feels very hot, but sometimes I feel cold and have chills.
That sounds like the flu. Do you have a sore throat?
Yes, it hurts when I swallow. I also have a very bad cough.
I am sorry to hear that. Do you have a runny nose too?
Yes, I am sneezing a lot. I need many tissues.
You should go home and rest. Being sick is very difficult.
I know. I wanted to work today, but I am too weak.
You must listen to your body. Health is more important than work.
What should I do to feel better?
You should drink a lot of fluids. Water and hot tea are very good for a cold.
Okay, I will drink tea with honey.
That is good for your sore throat. Have you taken any medicine?
Not yet. I have some aspirin at home.
You should take some medicine for your headache and fever. And you should see a doctor if you don't feel better tomorrow.
I will call the doctor later. I hope I recover quickly.
Me too, Isaac. Please stay home so you don't spread the germs. The flu is very contagious.
You are right. I don't want you to get sick too.
Thank you. Go home, get under a warm blanket, and sleep.
Thank you, Naomi. I will go home now.
Goodbye, Isaac. Feel better soon.
Thanks. Goodbye.
Well done. That was the natural speed conversation.
You just heard a real-life situation. Describing health is something we all do.
Repetition is the secret to learning. Listen to this many times this week.
Now let's learn a few more words before the review. Rest.
Rest. Rest means to relax or sleep so your body can heal.
Example 1.
You need to rest in bed today.
Example 2.
I feel better after a long rest.
Example 3.
The doctor told me to rest for 3 days.
Rest is the best medicine for a common cold. It gives your body energy to fight the virus.
You buy rest with time, not with money.
Learning this word helps you tell your boss why you are not at work. You can say, I need to rest today.
Now let's move on.
Contagious.
Contagious. Contagious means a sickness can spread from one person to another.
Example 1.
Be careful, the flu is very contagious.
Example 2.
Is your cold contagious?
Example 3.
She stayed home because she was contagious.
This is a slightly harder word, but very important for adults. It explains why we stay away from people when we are sick.
It is about protecting others.
Now let's learn our last word. Fluids.
Fluids.
Example 1.
Drink plenty of fluids when you have a fever.
Example 2.
Water and juice are healthy fluids.
Example 3.
The nurse gave him some fluids.
Fluids are liquids like water, tea, or soup. They are very important when you are sick.
Doctors always say, drink more fluids.
Now let's review everything.
You learned many new words today. Now it is time to review what we learned.
Reviewing helps you lock the words in your brain. Please listen and repeat.
Let's review today's words.
Listen and repeat.
Symptoms.
Signs that show you are sick. My symptoms are a cough and fever.
Fever.
High body temperature. I have a high fever.
Sore throat.
Pain in the throat. My sore throat hurts when I talk.
Guff. Ugh.
Pushing air out of the throat loudly. That is a bad cough.
Runny nose.
Liquid coming from the nose. I need a tissue for my runny nose.
Medicine.
Something you take to feel better. Don't forget to take your medicine.
Rest.
Relaxing or sleeping to heal. You need plenty of rest.
Contagious.
Can spread to other people. The flu is contagious.
Fluids.
Liquids like water or tea. Drink more fluids today.
Excellent work today. You studied many words about health.
Keep practicing at home. Try to explain how you feel in English.
Now, let's hear a real story. Elizabeth, when was the last time you had a cold?
Oh, I remember it well. It was last year in October. I started with a small sneeze. Then I got a very bad sore throat.
Did you go to work?
No, I stayed home. I knew I was contagious. I did not want my friends to get sick.
What did you do to feel better?
I followed Naomi's advice. I drank many fluids. I made homemade chicken soup. It was delicious and warm.
Did you take any medicine?
Yes, I took some medicine for my fever. But mostly I just had a lot of rest. I slept for 10 hours every night.
Wow, 10 hours. That is a lot of sleep.
Yes, but my body needed it. After 3 days, I started to recover. I felt much stronger.
That is a good story. It shows that rest and fluids are very important.
How about you, Michael? Do you like going to the doctor?
Not really. I only go if my symptoms are very bad. But I always call my mom for advice. She always tells me to drink herbal tea.
Moms always know best.
Yes, they do. Talking about being sick is not fun, but it is necessary.
We hope this lesson helps you.
Great job today. You learned how to describe a cold or flu.
Now you can tell someone if you feel sick.
Do you have a cold right now?
We hope you are healthy.
Thank you for studying with us.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time at World English Studio.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care of your health.